This year in environmental science class, we focused on Frim to research about its stream, Sungai Kroh. The purpose of our study is to understand the stream. Through our visits to the site, we were able to research the physical, biological, and chemical parts of it, as well as the relationship between the stream and us humans. We have studied the stream to find the answer to our key question, what is the importance of Sungai Kroh? Which leads to our goal to find out the significance of having the stream.
Frim is one of the world's most renowned reserves for tropical forests in the world. People from all over the world come to Frim to learn more about sustainable harvest and use of forest resources in Frim, right here in KL.
Frim is placed near a village called Kroh. It provides a place for leisure such as canopy walk, Kroh botanical gardens, picnic area, campsite, wetland area, night walk, nature trail, and treasure hunt. It is a place for everyone to have fun, enjoy nature, and escape from the busy cities. Frim is one of the leading institutions in tropical forestry founded in 1929. Its size is 600 hectares with approximately 15,000 species of plants. Sungai Kroh is a stream that is running through the Frim area, supplying people with water to be used on a daily basis like drinking.
This river starts from the forest reserve just behind. It's called the Bukit Lagung Forest Reserve. So it comes through the waterfall right there and flows here. And from here it goes out of Frim, which is no longer a jungle. It goes through the housing area, the Kapong housing area, and then it goes through the Jinjang. There it's called the Sungai Jinjang already. It's no longer Sungai Kroh. And then it ends up at the Kapong commuter station. Here you see it clean, but there you see an entirely different river.
The average width and depth of the creek is 4.8 meters and 0.15 meters. Overall, the lower and middle part of the stream seemed to be shallower compared to the upper part. However, the stream became narrower as we went up. The lower and middle part of the creek had more width. Riffles form in shallower areas. Water looks white because of the faster flow of the water. Glides are smooth, fast-moving areas that separate pools and riffles. Pools are deeper and slower part of the stream. Also, the surrounding riparian area adjacent to the stream creates 76% canopy cover, which is important to keeping stream temperatures low. And we found that the surrounding intact rainforest to be teeming with life: birds, mammals, amphibians, and reptiles. Dissolved oxygen is oxygen that is present in water for fish and aquatic animals to use. It is usually measured using parts per million. We used Chemet's dissolved oxygen kit to measure the DO. Turbidity measures how clear the water is using NTU as a measurement. Smaller number indicates clear water. We use Sungai technology to measure turbidity. pH stands for potential for hydrogen ion concentration. It measures the acidity and basicity of water. 1 is acidic, 7 is neutral, 10 is basic. We used HAC wide range pH indicator to measure pH.
that? Oh, awesome. That's just a dragonfly.
Having these craters like mayfly nymphs, dragonfly or damselfly lava, stonefly nymphs, and caddisfly nymphs indicate that the stream water is healthy.
There used to be a plant here, one species of the begonia. It was found in 1940s. Really rare species, but it can no longer be found anywhere. So scientists are doing some conservation works. They have managed to find one. They have managed to track it all the way in Sungai River. They found the begonia species which used to be here in abundance. Now no longer because of pollution and degradation. People are clearing the forest. So yeah, loss of habitat, but I hope the begonia has good chances of survival at the moment. That's why it's special.
Although we didn't compare our creek to others, from our data we think that it is healthy.
This is water source for them. They have, the best part about Frame is that they have their own water system. They treat their own water. So water supply goes into their home. So that's the best part. They get their water source from here.
How is the creek important to like the local people around here, do you think?
One, if you know Frame, we have the housing area here. I've told you earlier, this is their water source. Two is ecotourism. We have tourists coming in here and learning. This is the closest they can get to the rainforest. Then we have students like yourselves coming here to do your studies, scientific studies, finding about how it is different with the creeks here and the one in the town and what you can find here. So this is the easiest accessible jungle for you all to come and do your studies. It's just about 20 minutes away from town. You know, it's really near.
Ini etes lah. Rumah Shah Alam tu dekat tu.
He likes it here because he wants to
The nearest one.
yeah, it's clear. I mean it's
Compared to the other
it's
place,
near, and because he lives in Chalam, he likes it because it's like free and stuff, right? Yeah.
Compare dengan Ulu Langat jauh kan.
Yeah, other than like other
Tuan
like
Ulu Langat.
yeah.
I believe that for them to carry on living, it is up to us. Yep, because the human, they are responsible of destroying the forest, which is the habitat of the wildlife.
Yeah.
Like in Malaysia, you will know that the tiger, the Malayan tiger, the elephants, the rhinoceros, they are endangered species because we have us going
Yeah.
into their area and cutting down trees so that we can plant more of other trees for economic reasons. It can be done, but it should be done sustainably. So it is up to us to protect them. They have no mouth to say, don't cut my trees. You know, the orangutan can't say, this is my home. You know, so what they do is that they move away from their home. And that's why you can find fringes of forest. That's where you can see all these animals are separated. And they will go through evolution. They will not be able to mate with their partner in the other forest pocket. So they will have to start living new. You know, it could be a different environment here. So they are adaptable, fine, that's great. But then again, it is so important for us to protect them.
Yeah.
We are their voice. That's what it is.
It is important for us to use the resources sustainably. Sustainability is the key. We can also encourage people to take rubbish home from waterfall area to keep the place clean for the organisms that live in the stream. It is also important to plant trees around streams and increase the canopy cover in order to keep the water temperature low. This is common for any sorts of streams around the world. Another thing to keep in mind is that streams should be meander, meaning curved. We tend to make them straight, but this increases the pressure of water and organisms will not be able to live in straight streams.
What have you learned about this creek?
What I learned about this creek was that it's home to so many insects that we don't even know about, that we take for granted so much. And like, it's like looking at the ecosystem, we're all connected. So I think we should really put in the effort to help each other and our environment in general.
I've learned that this creek is a major part of the locals. It is used for recreation, their water source, and they bathe in this creek, and it is used in a big part of their lives.
Overall, we've learned that it is very important to keep Sungai Kroh as it is and improve in future for both humans and other organisms. It is used for significant causes, people's lives, and there will be more if we just research about it. We will also be able to improve the environment around the stream and stream itself through taking care of them by using resources with care and keeping the place clean. Although we can't declare if the stream is clean or not since we didn't compare it to other creeks, from the data we have concluded that Sungai Kroh is a healthy stream.